Let's prepare this delicious Navratan Korma. You can see in my video how tempting it's looking. The ingredients are so special and the balance of this gravy is what that makes the difference. This Mughlai dish is sure to be made in special occasions, and so I have shared the most simple way. Stay tuned for the entire recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin. Navratan Korma, as the name speaks, it's Navratan means 9 gems on Korma, is a creamy dish. So here I have taken 9 ingredients, basically some vegetables, cauliflowers, carrots, beans, green peas and potatoes, and then I have some cashews, melon seeds and poppy seeds. These I need to soak in warm water for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I will be using 1 cup of milk to grind this like a fine paste. And for spices, here I have taken 1 mace flower and 6 to 7 cardamom. The seeds I have used, this I need to make a fine powder, aromatic perfect powder, and I have also some ginger and green chilli that I will make a paste. In this recipe we are not using any onion garlic. Next we have some paneer. I have cut it into nice shapes, and some almonds, 6 to 7 cashew nuts and raisins. So these are the ingredients. So first I will begin from blanching the vegetables. I have taken some water, around 1 liter of water. I have added some salt. So first goes potatoes. This I will cook for around 5 to 6 minutes, and after 5 to 6 minutes then I will be adding carrots, beans, cauliflower all at the same time. So now I need more 5 minutes so that all the vegetables can be done around 50%, because potatoes need some more time. So initially I added the potatoes. Give it a mix and make sure you add around 1 tablespoon of salt at this stage to the water. So it's around 10 minutes now, and these vegetables are already 70% cooked, because we don't want these vegetables to be overcooked, because the rest will be cooked in the gravy. And now I have drained this. So this is done. The vegetables were looking so nice. The vegetables had maintained their crunch. So in a pan I had added 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I had added the whole spices, bay leaves, and once it's tempered for around 20 seconds I have added the paste of ginger and green chilli. I'll saute this paste of ginger and green chilli with this whole spices for around 20 to 30 seconds. And then once it's sauteed, the ginger and green chilli paste, I'll switch off the flame and wait for 5 to 6 minutes till the temperature of the pan it comes down. And then I'll be adding curd 1 cup, because in hot pan normally I don't use curd, it might crumble. So now I have added curd. I'll mix it. Once I mix it, then I'll switch off the flame in medium, and now you can see I'll stir continuously. The curd has not curdled. You can see it's boiling. Still then it has a nice texture. At this stage goes coriander powder, around 1 tablespoon. I'll give it a mix, and gradually, as I said, I had continuously stirred it, and oil has released and this curd is nicely cooked. So at this stage I'll be adding dry fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi, around 1 tablespoon. So here I have nicely roasted it. It gives a very nice aroma. And now this is the paste, the seed paste, cashews, melon and poppy seeds paste that I had made with 1 cup of milk, and some extra milk also I have added. So it depends upon the consistency, around 1.5 cup of milk. Once it starts to boil, I have added salt as per taste and sugar 1 teaspoon gets. That will help in maintaining the nice balance. And you can see the white gravy, it's taking form, because we are making this korma in white base, and it's looking so nice and it smells so heavenly. So after maybe 10 to 12 minutes the gravy is almost done, and now I have added the blanched vegetables. Let it come to a boil, because this gravy was nice and hot. And then I will add the frozen peas. If you have used fresh peas, you can use at the time of blanching. And then amount tomato I have added, chopped a little bit large pieces. Give it a mix, and once it starts to boil, I'll reduce the flame and let it simmer in medium flame for around 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the tempering. Here I have used ghee around 3 tablespoons. I have added some salt because I need to fry the paneer pieces in this. Adding the salt will help the paneer to not stick to the pan, and I have lightly roasted this paneer in this oil, I mean this ghee. So I'll just take them out, and in the same pan in medium flame, first I'll add the almonds and the cashews. Roast it in medium flame for around 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds I'll be adding the raisins. Little bit raisins I have left out for garnishing, and give it a mix, and in few seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds in medium flame, all these nuts will be nicely toasted. I'll remove them from heat, and meanwhile I have cut some fresh fruits. So I have here some fruits. I have some apple, pineapple, pomegranate, raisins and grapes. So I have cut it, and now I'll add the fried paneer, cashews, raisins and almonds to this korma. Give it a mix, reduce the flame to medium and let it cook for around 10 to 12 minutes till the korma is perfectly done, the vegetables are cooked, and you can taste it at last. The salt and the sweetness would be balanced. Now I'll switch off the flame. I have switched off the flame, and now at last I'll be adding the cut fruits. Make sure you add them at last, and the powder of cardamom and mace. This will complete this recipe. So I have added the powder of the cardamom and mace. Give it a mix, and the consistency should not be too thick. It should be medium in this way, because later it will just thicken. And at last, after switching off the flame, I have added the tempered ghee in which we had fried the paneer and the dry fruits. This goes on top. Adding the ghee at last gives a very nice flavor and texture. So it's complete. This is how it's looking, and let's serve this nice Navratan Korma. So here is my super delicious, creamy and flavorful Navratan Korma. You can see in my video how beautiful it has turned out. The vegetables have maintained their crunch, color, the texture of this gravy is so amazing. Finally, I have garnished with some pomegranate pearls and some raisins. So here I have shared the entire recipe in the most easy way. You will love this classic Indian Mughal dish. Do try and let me know. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Hedgiji. He writes, "Hello dear, thank you for another delicious and well presented recipe. Yes, your bhatura recipe would be highly appreciated." Thank you so much, Hedgi. Actually, he has commented on the recipe of my no onion garlic chole, and with that I had served a nice bhatura, experimental bhatura I would call, but that turned out to be super awesome. I'm so glad. I'll definitely upload this recipe of bhatura. Thank you so much for letting me know, and thank you so much for your kind words. Stay safe and stay connected. And for your special occasions, do try this delicious Navratan Korma. You will be amazed by the flavors and will be in love with the dish. And for my video, if you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English in Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.